Okay, good morning guys. I just bought this little beauty here. It's a 1998 on the Shadow, and I wanted to adjust the rear chain, the back chain on it. So to do that I needed to get the back wheel off the ground. Now looked on Facebook Marketplace and Amazon and other stuff like that, and the price of jacks is like pretty ridiculous for a decent one, and the cheaper ones look a little bit flimsy to my liking. So I did see a guy who built his own, and I thought, that looks good. So I went ahead and done it myself, and all I've done is I've built it with 2x4s. Now let me just drop the camera down so that you can see what it is I've done, and I'll explain it to you. Now believe it or not, it's actually quite heavy. Now there's two 2x4s in the middle, which are just laid on top of each other, and they're screwed and glued together, and I measured them to what is it, say 33.5 inches. That's them two. And then once I glued and screwed them two together, I put one down each side, as you can see there. Now them ones there are 3 foot long, so there's one that side and one that side. Now this piece here, I kind of had to add on to that to give me the height on the bike, and that piece is basically just, well, you can see where I've had the bike on there, that's the frame. So it's just got to be big enough to go underneath the bike to sit the frame on it. Now these end pieces here, they're just the width of the whole thing, and they're just to add a bit of strength and stuff like that to it. Now when you put all that together, it's actually quite heavy. Now this piece here, the square, is where you get your leverage, and that's why they're shorter than them two. Anyway, let me get it underneath the bike and I'll show you it in action. Oh, there's the Now, I don't know if you can see it, but let me just get it. I'll show you where I'm positioning it on the actual frame itself, if I can get up close. Here we go. You want to bring it back slowly. Make sure it's square with the bike. Now, just put your foot there and start to raise it. Once you've got it square, the bike will start to straighten up on its own, as you can see. Carry on all the way down. And there we go. I didn't mean to drop that, don't usually do that, but now you can see how high the bike is off the floor. Let me just get the camera down. Okay, so you can see there how it's all worked out. The bike is what, 4 inches off the floor there by the looks of it. It's on the frame, and believe it or not, it is actually really steady. It's steady as a rock. And to get it down again, I'll show you it again. Now, as I say guys, you can see the bike on there. It's, look at that, it's steady as a rock. Better than, a lot better than any of them flimsy cheaper ones would be. You can also push that through there, so it's kind of locking it from that, either moving forward or moving backwards. Now I'll show you how to get it back down. The side stand is down there, as you can see. Basically, just keep hold of your back, the back end of your bike. Bring that up and do it slowly. You take it down slowly, it will start to go down on its own. Slowly. Now you can see the bike starting to tip over towards the stand. And there we go, it's on the stand. Take that out. Take that out, and that's it done. Now there is one thing I'm going to do with that. I'm going to sand that down a little bit so it's a bit smoother, so I don't get splinters. And I might even paint it black. Same with the 6-foot piece. I'll sand it down so I don't get splinters and paint it black. You see all the glue there and the screws. Anyway guys, that's the baby I've just bought, and that's the stand, the jack I made for it. Hope you've enjoyed the video.